Got a large dent in a 2015 Audi A3. And this one's gonna be the project of the day. So, gonna have to take the door apart, off, put it on a stand. Actually gonna fix this little guy up here too. That's a tricky repair on these cars. Anybody that works on these Audis knows how hard those body lines at the top can be. So anyhow, stay tuned. We'll show you what we do, show you some steps along the way. Finished up this Audi A3. Damage in the low part of the door. Came out great. It was very difficult, but we got through it. Got a great product for our customer here. So, yeah. Pan around and try to show you. Also, we had this little guy up here on the door, which we fixed and touched up again for the customer. That was tricky. We had to take this mirror off the car in order to get to the back side of the panel. So thanks for watching. Reach out if you have any questions.